In this video, we are going over how to navigate all of the settings for hymns in Concord. As most readers know, many hymns have more than one tune. In Concord, these different tunes are called alternate settings. For this example, I'm going to use hymn 304, Feed My Sheep. I'm going to search Feed My Sheep, click on the hymnal, and open it up. You can view it in the Books panel by clicking on the search result. Under the search result, you can see the text View Alternate Settings. Clicking on this opens up all of the settings for this particular hymn. Clicking on the numbers changes the citation within the Study Tools panel and within the Citation Builder in the Books panel, making it easy to add specific settings to your list. When I've decided on a hymn I want to add, I can click the three-dot menu and add it to my list. Some of the citations you can find within the hymnal have letters next to them that stand for certain things. For example, A next to a citation stands for an author of the hymn. Within Concord, you can search by the first and last name of composers. The letter C appears next to their name, and all of the hymns they have composed will appear. In Concord, you can also search by the name of the tune. If I know that a tune has the word love in it, I can search it like any normal term. And within the Christian Science hymnal, tunes will have a T next to the title of the tune. Just like any other search result, I can click on it, and within the Books panel it will appear highlighted. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to check out the rest of our help videos.